Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken broth in an instant pot. Making homemade chicken broth is incredibly rewarding and simple with an instant pot. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken bones, like a carcass or wings, along with some basic aromatics. Think 1 large onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and a few bay leaves. Don't forget a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It's key for extracting all those wonderful nutrients from the bones. Let's get started. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. There's no need for fancy knife skills here. A rough chop for your vegetables is perfectly fine. Place your chicken bones directly into the instant pot. Then, add your chopped onions, carrots, celery, and bay leaves. Pour in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Finally, fill the pot with cold water, making sure not to go past the maximum fill line, which is usually about 2/3 full. This ensures safe and efficient cooking. Once your ingredients are in, secure the lid on your instant pot and make sure the sealing valve is set to sealing. Select the pressure cook or manual setting and set the time for 120 minutes or 2 hours on high pressure. This extended cooking time is crucial for developing a deep, rich flavor and extracting all the gelatin. After cooking, allow a natural pressure release for about 15 to 20 minutes before carefully performing a quick release. The final step is straining and storing your delicious broth. Carefully remove the lid and use a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with cheesecloth, to strain the broth into a large bowl. Discard all the solids. Let the broth cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. You can refrigerate your homemade chicken broth for up to 4 days or freeze it for several months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.